In this video, I'll show you how to upload music to Spotify. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. When you want to upload music to Spotify, there are two different scenarios why you want to do that. Either you may be an artist who wants to upload their music track, or you may just have your own local files on your computer which you want to add to Spotify and listen to just for yourself. If you're an artist and you want to upload music you've created, then you head to the page Getting Music on Spotify. I'll put a link down below. So to actually get your music onto Spotify, you're going to need a distributor. As you can read here, it says, distributors handle music licensing, distribution, and pay streaming royalties. Work with a distributor to get music on Spotify. And there's a bit of information about it that you can read on how to choose a distributor. Now, for the second part of this video, what I meant by uploading music to Spotify is literally adding it from your computer to Spotify. And by doing so, only you can listen to it on your account. So all you need to do is go to the top right corner and tap on your username. Tap Settings. Scroll down until you get to the section Local Files. Switch on Show Local Files. And then what you need to do is go down to Show Songs From. This is where Spotify is actually going to be searching for your music locations. If you can't see a location which you got music in, go and tap on Add a Source. Once you've set this up, you're probably wondering, how can I actually view the music tracks? All you need to do is go to the top left and tap on your library. Tap on Local Files. And this is going to show you files from your computer. Scroll down, and as you can see, these are all the music files which Spotify has found on your computer. You can now create a playlist out of this if you want to. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.